YouTube, I basically broke down all them boxes. We had two dual overload, two movie packs, the monster box we already went through, the power cube we already went through, a whole bunch of random boosters. Alright, let's see if I can get my camera girl to come help me. Oh, camera lady. Alright, to make it even more fun, I'll just start with the promos from the movie packs. And then I'll just shuffle these. Yes, I will shuffle them. Just so they're all randomized. Alright, first promo. Oh yes, and I left the oversized cards for us for reveal too. I'm hoping for my third blue eyes. Doozy, you're being a doozy. There we go. Dooza, the meteor cubic vessel. Ooh, a blue eyes. I love blue eyes. And then Obelisk, the tormentor. Crush your opponents. And let's see if I get Dark Magician and Slifer. Dooza. Blue eyes. Obelisk. Again. Alright. Okay, it's a speed duels. There's no rares in speed duels. Well, there are, but it's extremely hard to pull. Bandit Keith. Sweet. Infernity Dwarf. Blue-eyed Silver Zombie. I haven't seen that in forever. Fortress Whale! Oh, that's a throwback. Who was it that used that? Was that Mako? Release Restraint. Fighting Spirit. The Beginning of the End. And Empress Mantis. Nice, nice. Starting to stuff them in here. Alright, now we get into the dual overload. Let's see. What do we get? I'm hoping for a freaking Christian or a Predaplant. Cubic Ascension. What Draft? Starving Venom, Lethal Dosage Dragon. Ojama Emperor, Malefic Divide. Okay. Back to Speed Duel, I guess. Fighting Spirit. Launcher Spider. 7 complete. Ally of Justice, Core Destroyer.
Well, we're gonna be here for a while.
Dual Overload again. Cybernetic Overflow. Speedroid Marble Machine. Phantasma, there's a good money card. I'll sleeve that up. Golden Castle. Vanity's Ruler. Alright. So far for our good pulls, we got a Phantasma and a Fellis Lightsworn Archer. Yeah, I'm sorry, the freaking video cut off earlier. Dual Overload. Blackwing Zephyros Elite. Abyss Actor Hyper Director. Madolce Pudding Sis Chocolate La Mode. 6 Samurai Fudma. And Cubic Dama. Speed Duels again. When are we gonna hit the movie packs? Let's find out. Break Draw. Gravity Axe Growl. Blue-eyed Silver Zombie. Fortress Whale again. wonder if his ritual comes in there. Empress Mantis. Slot machine, that's a throwback. Bandit Keith all day. Insect armor with laser cannon. Magical plant Madrigola. Security orb, 7 complete.
Hold up.
And I pulled a speed duel Gearfried the Swordmaster. That's a new Ultra. Woohoo! Just leave that bad boy up. Movie pack. Things we're looking for: the Magician Girls, a Blue Eyes Alternative, and Palad Mashat. Cubic, Neo Ultimate, Cubic Mandala, Contract Door, Cubic King. Another movie pack. Dimension Sphinx, Crimson Nova, the Dark Cubic Lord, Marsha Khan, Sentry Soldier of Stone, and Degas Destiny. I think he needed a Crimson Nova, the Dark Cubic Lord. Movie pack again. Assault Wyvern, Unification of the Cubic Lords, Metal Hold Blockade. Yeah, baby! Blue Eyes Alternative White Dragon. With it, a Blue Eyes Chaos Max Dragon. There goes our money back. I gotta sleeve those up. Man, Kaiba really brought the blue eyes to me today. Dual Overload. Alien Shock Troop M-Frame. I need this for my Destiny Hero Celestial. Condemned Dark Lord, Swap Frog, DDD Abyss King Gilgamesh. Another Dual Overload. Mystical Space Typhoon. That's actually beautiful. Number 10 is 27 Dreadnoid Bunjaki Ashima, Daugusto Emerald, and Synchro Transcend. Come on, Predaplant Anaconda. I've been through 6 of these and haven't seen one yet. Hysteric Psy, Blackwing Zephyros Elite, Dingarusi, Card of Fate, Ojama Emperor. Speed Duel. Again. I can't believe I pulled an ultra rare from a speed duel. Iron Blacksmith Kotsu, Break Draw, Gate Creeper, and Bokichi the Fright Car. Speed Duel again. Let's see if I can pull another ultra from the speed duels. That was cool. That was really cool. Come on. There we go. Dandy Pond. Cabazols. Pendulum Machine. Oh, that's another throwback from Bandit Keith. Break Draw. Now I'm hoping these legacy packs will give us something after we're done with all these newer packs. Konami Speed Duel. I love Joey on there, and I got the freaking pack card. Playset of Fortress Whale. Allied Justice Corps Destroyer. Spellbinding Circle and Command Knight. Still no Fortress Oath. Alright. Dimensional Guardian. Let's see what you got. Cypher Twin Raptor. Form Pal Barracuda. Cypher Mirror Knight. Dark Resonator. Cypher Spectrum. In a minute. Duelist Pack Dimensional Guardians. Scarlet Red Dragon Archfiend. I guess that's a remake of a 5D's card. Chain Resonator. Cipher Bit. Cipher Wing. Mirror Resonation. Alright, looks like we're back to the movie packs. Cubic Rebirth. Assault Wyvern. Dimensional Guardian. Dark Magician Girl. Chocolate Magician Girl. Ooh, baby, that's the Magician Girls. Alright, come on, Yugi boy. Lemon. Lemon. Apple. Cubic Karma. Cubic Nova, the Trinity Lord. Celtic Guardian of the Noble Arms. Woo! More Magician Girls. Alright, we're going back to Dual Overload. Babe, pay attention, please.
I am.
Let him explore. He's new. We don't need to stress him out any more than he is. Oh, you smell your old home, don't you? Really?
Mm-hmm.
Deck Lockdown. Malefic Territory. Cyber Energy. Degusto Emerald. Synchro Transcend. Gigaplant, Ferocious Flame Swordsman. There we go. There's Anaconda. Woo! Woo! Psy-Frame, Swap Frog. Alien Shock, M-Frame, Cubic Ascension, Cyber Dragon Infinity, woohoo! I'll put that to the side. Paleozoic Dinomuscus, Dangerous Frightfur, Nightmare. We only got several more packs. Enma's Judgment, Deck Lockdown, Infinity Impermanence. There's another money card. Zombie World. Abyss Actor Hyper Director. Herald of Mirage Lights. Cyber Dragon Infinity. Cubic Dharma. Magical Musketeer Starfire. Dark Saviors. Ooh, Foil Scapegoat. Sky Striker Ace. Helmar. Bravo for hire. Mayhem for hire. Sorry. Prank Kids Plan. Prank Kids Pranks. Defender of Nephites. Rebirth of Nephites. Yugioh the Graceful. Mayakashi. I'm not good at pronouncing Japanese anymore. Last two packs of the newer packs. Yugioh! Let's get it cracking. Come on, all we need is the Christian. Come on, Christian. Malefic Territory. Super Vehicle. Man. Okay. So far we're doing alright. We're doing alright. Can we keep with these polls? Unification of the Cubic Lord. Dimension Sphinx. Crimson Nova, the Dark Cubic Lord. Magician's Defense. And Blade Garuda, the Cubic Beast. Okay, I'll pull out all the cubic cards for him. Now we get to go on to the legacy packs, the old school stuff. Let's see what we got. Alright. We got Yugioh Legendary Collections for this, plus 2 Pharaoh Servants and a Spell Ruler. Oh no, drop Bandit Keith in the water. Alright. Lego. Here's our God cards, our Blue Eyes, our Dark Magician and everything. Let's get it. Let's get it. Legend of Blue Eyes, my all-time favorite set. Let's go, Exodia piece. The right leg of the Forbidden One was my first ultra rare, just so everyone knows. I have a big love. Pay attention. And Turtle Tiger. Turtle Tiger. Drooling Lizard. King Fog. Oh, baby! Gaia the Dragon Champion! No way! No way!
No, we have a 2-month-old.
I don't care. I don't care. You don't understand how epic that is. I have never pulled him. I have always wanted to pull him. First pack, Legend of Blue Eyes. Was just talking about how great this pack was. And I pulled one of their secret rares. Ooh, look how beautiful he is. Ooh. Ooh, baby. Sorry, Simply Oh Lucky. I had to steal your ooh babies for that. Metal Raiders. Again, this one feels big, too. Harpy Lady. Gilded D-Knight. Musician King. That was my favorite card growing up. Crass Clown. White Magical Hat. Ancient Brain. Protector of the Throne. King of Yami Makai. What's cool, look at his defense. 1530. And a Thunder Dragon. I needed you. Ooh, baby, I gotta sleeve up that Gaia the Dragon Champion. I cannot believe I just pulled a Gaia the Dragon Champion. Oh my god. Oh my Lanta. Holy crap. Holy crap. Oh my god. Thank you, Legendary Collections. Thank you, Yu-Gi-Oh! Now, let's go Spell Rulers. We got 2 of these guys. Hungry Burger. Whiptail Crow. The Reliable Guardian. Guardian of the Throne Room. Manga Rerun. Funny, one of the very few not swapped to tune. Toll. October Seer. Performance of the Sword. And a slot machine. Spell Rulers number 2. I still can't believe we pulled that Gaia the Dragon Champion. Woo! Turtle Oath. Liquid Beast. Minar. Labyrinth Wall. Nimble Mumunga. Penguin Knight. Twing Long Rod. Dark Zebra. Eternal Rest. Whoo, baby, that Gaia the Dragon Champion. Pharaoh's Servant. Let's see if we get a Gizno or any kind of super or ultra. The fact that we pulled 1 foil is insane. Bite Shoes. Dark Fire Soldier number 1. Driving Snow. Metal Detector. Prohibition. Overdrive. Inspection. Burning Land. And Light Intervention. I'm still loving the fact that we pulled a Gaia. Come on, Gizno. You know what would really be cool? Beast of Talwar. Time Seal. Sword Hunter. Mr. Volcano. No, oh my god, look at the foil on that Nobleman Crossout. That's nice. Gravity Bind. Overdrive. Light Intervention. Goku Ryubi, Major Riot, another Pharaoh Servant, Cyber Falcon, Invitation to a Dark Sleep, the All-Seeing White Tiger, Infinite Dismissal, Hayabusa Knight, Kisatai, Drillbug, Gamble, Dark Bat. Two more packs. Dark Crisis. Come on, Exodia Necros. I just built an Exodia deck, so I would love a freaking Exodia Necros. Heck, I would love another contract with Exodia. So, checkmate. Even the Archfiend cards are going to be cool. Ojama Trio. Archfiend's Roar. Ooh, another secret rare. What is this? What is this? Judgment of Anubis. Ooh, no. That's two secret rares in no. That is two secret rares in one legendary collection. What is this? Holy crap. Ray of Hope. I don't even care if I pull anything else. Goblin agreed. The Sword of Flashing Light Trust. Staunch Defender. Ooh, juicy. Babe. The fact. Oh my god, the goosebumps. You can laugh at me all you want. And the last pack. The final pack. I don't even care. We already went beyond godly with two secret rares in this legendary collection. Holy crap. Beyond godly. Chaos Sorcerer. DD Borderline. Gale Lizard. Smashing Ground. Mad Dog of Darkness. Neobug. Self-Destruct. Mandrew 10,000 Hands. Ooh, that's a good common to pull. Fiend's Hand Mirror. Oh my god. We really just pulled this from a legendary collection. Ooh, baby. This is beyond godly.